Mini PC models are really gaining a lot of popularity lately, and today we have for you quite a treat from this category. New Beelink GTR5 is an absolute monster, which will satisfy even some gamers out there. It utilizes one of the most powerful processors on the market with AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX, and the results are just fantastic. It is currently available in pre-sales both on Indiegogo and official store with early bird prices starting at just $699. That's a fantastic right there, because this little beast can easily be the perfect home computer for many users. And save a lot of space and energy while at it. Despite the high-end hardware, Beelink GTR5 keeps the dimensions very compact with just 168mm by 120mm by 39mm. The full metal build is also a plus, and it features a new very silent cooling system with dual fans and dual ducts. Aside the Ryzen 9 5900HX processor, you are getting dual-channel DDR4 3200MHz RAM with either 16GB or 32GB, and M.2 NVMe SSD drive with 512GB. You can also easily install another 2.5 SATA drive to the free 2.5 inches slot. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI, DP, full-featured USB Type-C or dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports. And built-in dual microphone array and fingerprint unlock is a cherry on the top. For the money, it's a complete PC for everybody. There will also be a similar but slightly weaker model Beelink GTR4 in the same design and build. This time featuring AMD Ryzen 9 4900HX, 16GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM and 500GB NVMe SSD drive. Early bird discount price for this one is set at $599. And it should be available in pre-sales on the official channels from November 24th.